Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to verify digital signatures in Autoruns step by step. Checking digital signatures helps you confirm whether a startup item comes from a trusted software publisher, making it easier to identify unknown or potentially suspicious programs. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and run it with administrator privileges if prompted. Wait for the application to finish scanning your system and loading all startup entries. Next, click the Options menu at the top of the window and enable Verify Code Signatures. Once this option is turned on, Autoruns will check the digital signatures of the files listed in the startup entries. Depending on the number of entries, this process may take a few moments. After the verification is complete, review the Publisher column and any signature-related information shown for each entry. Files from well-known software vendors usually display a valid publisher name, while unsigned or unverified files may require a closer look. If you find an unfamiliar startup item, click it and choose Properties or Search online to gather more information before making any changes. This can help you determine whether the file belongs to legitimate software or if it deserves further investigation. Keep in mind that an unsigned file isn't automatically malicious. Some legitimate applications may not use digital signatures. However, if an unknown file is unsigned and behaves unexpectedly, it's a good idea to investigate it further before allowing it to run automatically. And that's it. You now know how to verify digital signatures in Autoruns and use that information to better evaluate Windows startup items. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.